Pathway to Medicine is a structure that exists within some of our BSc programs. It's for students who want a guaranteed interview for our graduate entry medicine program, but are keeping their options open, possibly as a fifth choice in their UCAS form when they're applying for undergraduate medicine, or they know that they want to do a first degree before they apply to graduate entry medicine.
Medical genetics is a great introduction to medical studies because due to the massive amounts of information that are emerging from the Human Genome Project and studies of human genes, these are changing the whole way we think about human medicine, and you'll be very well placed to appreciate and take part in this in your future medical career.